everyone, this is Gigi from 𝗀𝗏𝗄𝗡 Life, and today I have a very beautiful unboxing for you guys from Chanel. This item is a very classic Chanel piece, and this is actually, I actually sourced this for one of my lovely client friends, and I'm going to open it now just to double check everything, make sure everything's okay before I ship it out to my lovely client friend. And let's go straight ahead. So it comes in this beautiful packaging with the boxes and the camellia flower and ribbons. So recently, because of COVID-19, it's been pretty crazy and extra difficult to shop. The good thing is sometimes there will be sales associates that would be willing to ship items to me if they are actually working. So it just kind of depends. And but regardless, this piece is actually very, very hard to find worldwide, especially now with the price increase. I think a jumbo right now in US will probably cost you about maybe over $7,000 with tax. So I'm not sure exactly how much because everyone's still trying to figure it out. Okay, let's continue with the unboxing. Right, so it comes in this beautiful wrapping paper. I want to be really, really gentle. So I hope everyone's staying in and being safe. I hope everyone's family is healthy, and I think we're all kind of getting used to this totally different new lifestyle, aren't we? But it also gave me more time to do these unboxing videos or do these videos. I haven't been doing much. And I actually wanted to tell you guys too, going forward, I'm going to try to upload more videos. And so if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram at 𝗀𝗏𝗄𝗡 Life, please do. I live between UK and US, and I'm a part-time personal shopper, and I love to travel. So I have a lot of interesting content I can share with you guys. You know, maybe not so much traveling these days because of the COVID situation, but hopefully going forward, I'll be able to continue to show you guys cool things around the world while I travel. Alrighty, so as you guys can see, it comes in this beautiful white dust bag. What does that mean? It means that it is a classic Chanel piece. So it's usually for classic bags that have double flaps. Okay, so I'm sure a lot of you know. And you guys can kind of see it already. Okay, so this is, you can see it's black with gold hardware. And it's packaged really beautifully with a sticker. Okay, really don't want to open it either. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that this is, but try to be very gentle. So, look at the packaging paper, so pretty. So a lot of people like to ask me, what do I prefer between the caviar and lambskin? And I would say personally, because I like to be kind of carefree, I do prefer the caviar leather, which I think a lot of people do as well. But I do want to say that lambskin is very, very beautiful. And I know that Chanel have been trying to push lambskin more. As you guys know, I think a lot of you know, love Chanel mini flaps. And you've been noticing, I think a lot of us, at least I know, they haven't been making caviar mini flaps for at least 2 years. And when I talk to my sales associates around the world, they all tell me that Chanel thinks lambskin is more luxurious and they kind of want to push that more. So they don't really plan on making much caviar minis, at least in the near future. They don't have any plans. So a lot of you always direct message me or email me about getting you a caviar mini flap. And as of right now, for brand new, it's pretty difficult. Unless someone is willing to sell something that they've been keeping for a few years. So, but regardless, I think lambskin right now, I think especially if it's dark colors, it's not as bad as people think, because I did own some lambskin pieces. I actually still do, but you can really, mine is all black. So my lambskin items are all black. And I do notice that if you have little light scuffings, you can really rub it in, like kind of like just like this, like pretend this is lambskin, right? You rub it, and then they also give you a white glove. You could rub it with your finger. The oil, well, what I'm told and what I've seen is usually able to help you buff out little scuffs. Of course, if you have like deep scratches, that's another story. But if you have light scratches or scuffs, that's usually not a big problem. Alrighty, let me continue with this. So this comes in the beautiful caviar, black caviar with the gold hardware. Oh my god, this is so pretty. But I don't really want to do this. So tough. They packaged it really nice. But let's see. I'm not gonna take the chain off first, but I will do this. So I don't know about you guys. I'm really missing going out and shop. I mean, I guess going out at all, for anything other than grocery shopping. Actually, I'm currently in UK, and the funny thing is UK has like really strict grocery shopping rules, which you actually can't have more than one person from your household. At least in my town, I guess, in my city, you're not able, or the grocery stores I've been into, I think some are more lenient, but apparently the official thing as of right now is you can't have more than one person from your household to go into a grocery store. So it's pretty sad. Like I can't even go in with my hubby, so it's pretty funny. But okay, or anyone you want to go with, you have to go by yourself. So it comes, oh great, I love that it still has the plastic protector, and it comes with the felt. And that's perfect. And as you all know, this is the secret compartment that you can, back in the days, it's supposed to be for love letters. But this is the design that Karl Lagerfeld did, so with the double CC, and the one that Coco Chanel did was a reissue 2.55, which I will probably do a video of that. Let me know if you guys would like to see a video about that, because honestly, reissue 2.55 is actually currently one of my favorite bags because it is the original design by Coco Chanel. And I think as you become, I think we kind of go through this, like first you want the classic Chanel, which I still love. There's nothing, you really can't go wrong with this. But then as you really kind of start wearing a lot of Chanel or getting to know the brand more, you slowly usually start loving or wanting or become curious at least with the 2.55 reissue. So let me know, comment down below if you guys would be interested in seeing a video about that. I might do an unboxing for a future item that I actually just sourced from my client friend, and maybe talk more about it, or also just use my personal reissue flaps to talk about it. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to check out this bag. So it comes in, the beautiful burgundy interior. That's usually the case for all the classic flaps. And this one is made in France, I believe. Yeah, it's made in France. Beautiful. And I'm not going to take this off. It's just wrapped too perfectly. But let's check out the back. So the back Mona Lisa pocket is another classic feature for the classic flap. And I mean, I think the story was Coco Chanel used to put tips in here because she always pays tips, and then she likes to put the money here so that way she doesn't have to open the bag again to take the money out. So let's see. Overall, this bag looks pretty perfect. Looks perfect. And honestly, black caviar is very, very hard wearing. It's probably, I mean, this bag's been around for this design. Karl Lagerfeld designed it in 1980s, so it's nearly 40 years now. So, I mean, this design's not going anywhere. And I know a lot of us know about the recent Chanel price increase, and we'll probably make another video about it. That's like a long, long story. But long story short is, Chanel will always have a price increase, regardless of what's going on with the world. I know a lot of people were angry about having such a huge price increase. I mean, between 10 to 30%, 31% apparently in Australia for some items. It is a huge a percentage, no doubt. It's insane, actually. I agree. It's totally crazy. But from someone that's been, I guess, pretty familiar with Chanel, I will have to say, and I say this to all my friends and client friends, honestly, it's not because I'm trying to pressure you or anything, but the truth of the matter is, for classic flaps, for Chanel, classic items, if you're ever interested, I would say you probably just want to try to buy it if you could at the time and kind of just bite the bullet and get it over with, because the truth is they will just keep on having price increases. It's not going to go down. I will tell you, the one I got a few years ago is significantly less than the price now. And it's so much less, I don't even want to talk about it. It might make some people angry, but it does make me a little bit happy. And well, not really happy about the price increase, but I am happy that I was able to pick it up back in the days and pay a lot less for it. So I am happy about that. But I do feel really horrible for people who, you know, saved up and really tried to obtain this bag, because we all know that they cost quite a fortune. The good news is they do retain their value, especially for the classics, and especially so for this one, it's a double flap. So double flaps really retain their like really keeps their shape a lot better than single flaps. So back in the days, you know, they have a period of time they actually used to make single flaps for jumbos, and they're really gorgeous. They're a lot lighter, they're beautiful, but from what I've seen so far, they don't keep their shape as well. So it's kind of, you know, pros and cons for everything, right? But regardless, right now they only make double flaps for classic flaps. Alrighty, and let's see, let's continue to check out what comes with it. So here's the tissue paper, and here's a beautiful dust bag that all classic bags should come with. If I do know, I had some people, some sales associates, maybe they're new or something, they actually forget to give me the white one. They give me the regular black one. So if that happens, make sure you check with your sales associate and try to exchange for a white one. Unless some people prefer the drawstring one, so then that might be another story. So it comes with a booklet. It's beautiful, and oh, you guys kind of had a little peek. But yeah, in here it has like information about your bag, and let's see. And then in here it comes with this is the white glove I was talking about. So if you after you use your bag or just periodically, you probably want to use this glove to wipe down your bag and just to keep it nice. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Just a really quick unboxing for a classic. Oh, did I even talk about what it was? So this is a classic Chanel flap in the size small in black caviar leather with gold hardware. So it's a very, very classic style, and the size is extremely hard to find because right now, I'm sure you guys are all aware that small bags are very in at the moment, and to be fair, it also is cheaper. So it's cheaper than the larger bags. So I think for various reasons, for the trend, for, you know, the easy to use size, and I do have to say this size is it's kind of, you can't really go wrong. It's very similar to the medium large flap size, and I don't know, I think a lot of people recently, at least from my experience, a lot of people kind of prefer the size small flaps, and they're extra hard to obtain. So I was really, really happy that I was able to get this for one of my lovely client friends. So yeah, and another thing is I may be able to source another classic small flap in the same exact combination. If anyone's interested, if you would like me to help you out with that, please feel free to direct message me on Instagram at 𝗀𝗡𝗡𝗀𝗡𝗀𝗡 or give me an email at 𝗀𝗡𝗡𝗀𝗡𝗀𝗡@gmail.com. Alrighty, that's all I have for you all today. Please hit the like button if you liked the video. Leave any comments down below if you have any questions. And please subscribe to the channel if you're interested. I do plan on making more videos going forward. It will be more frequent. I'm going to try to think of more interesting to do. There might be a lot of unboxing videos. We'll see. It depends on if you guys like it or not. It's just kind of the unboxing that I usually do for my client friends before I ship it out, or when I receive the item and I'm just double checking the item. So I thought it might be nice to share with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so Okay, that's all I have. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic day and continue to stay safe and healthy. Take care. Bye.